Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna be jumping on the trampoline today, even though my mom's not home and she said not to do it. But I don't give a fudge. She's not gonna be back home until like 1 o'clock. If someone sees this super early, tell me what time it is. It's a nice time. When she gets here, as soon as she like pulls in, I'm just gonna pretend I'm just bouncing and doing splits in the air. When I was really doing back tucks. She doesn't like when I do back tucks somewhat, even though I'm not gonna hurt myself. I mean, like, there might be a chance, but it's not gonna happen. I don't know what happened. I put nails on. This is quarantine, and there's nothing else to do. Ooh, that's really big. A bird pooped down here. If one poops on my head, I'm gonna get really mad. Cat blocks my camera, I'm gonna get really mad. Cows. This hoodie smells bomb. I don't know why I just said that. I don't know why I just said that. Make sure she does randomly pull in. That's the layout. Back layout, step out. Back aerial. I'm out of breath. Talk. Try an aerial. I haven't done that in a while. Do this. That's what you get for making it too long. Or too wow. We're gonna work on aerials today. Because that's what I need. Okay. So, first let's actually work on doing it. I can, but I need to practice them. Just do it, body. There we go. And then we just want to start making less and less jumps. Yeah? Okay. That was 3 jumps, but I didn't. I put my hands down, so that doesn't count. No! Ready? 1, 2, 3. That was 2 jumps because I don't run 2. Let's do 1 jump. I can do this. I do it all the time. I run into it too. I'll do that. Woo! Ready? Oh, I did it. Okay. Now I'm just gonna do running into an aerial, and then we're gonna work on some hooks. I want to stop myself. That really hurts. one more aerial, and we'll move on to front. Oh, okay, front tops. I already did one today. I remember to jump, so I'm just gonna do 2 jumps. So, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that was 2 jumps. Ready? Scared. Ready? 1, 2. We did 1 jump. Now, try to run into it, which I'm not very good at that. Here's when you run, go into it. You just, you know what I mean? Like you. No, that was a jump. You go like that. Now it's just in slow mo. I'm not gonna be able to do this. Okay. I need to get a tumble truck. My cat just fell from the wall. I need to get a tumble truck. Ready? Ah! So close. I'm almost there. Ah! I almost put my hand in bird poop. Okay, this is gonna be it. I did it. Now, I'm going to work on trying to get it standing. Not standing, just like 1 step. You know what I mean? Just 1 step into it, like this. Okay? Ready? That was easy. That was really easy. Try one more time. Let's make sure I have it. Yeah. Okay. Okay, ready? Go. Ah! Ah! Ready? I did it. I stayed in a tuck position. Luckily, I landed on my feet, or I would have gone right over and broken my neck. That's just an example. Okay. So now let's try to just go full out. Okay? Nothing into it, just go bounce it into the beginning and then go. Okay. First, let's practice. H word. Ready? Go. Oh, of course I didn't. Ready? Steady, go. Oh! Okay, you know what? Ow. I give up. I did enough for the day. I have to jump down, so I'm afraid either this is going to shock me or that's going to shock me. My baby kitty Briar's pregnant. I'm so excited. It's not even a year yet, and she's already pregnant. Oh, no, she's not a year. She might be. I honestly don't know. Because we got her, she's a rescue. So Briar's a rescue and Mocha's a rescue. Little Gray is an ish rescue because we got her from our farm, so she's kind of a rescue. But then Callie is just Little Gray's baby, so Callie's not a rescue. And Briar's babies aren't going to be rescues either. Oh, so cute. So we have one half rescue, we have two full rescues. Then we have one that's not a rescue at all. Ah! Oh, this is a good video. Why, you're a kitty? I'm trying to show you how fat she is. She's running to the door because she wants in. She's cold. Don't mind our clay mask. Like, do you see that round belly? She doesn't like when we touch her belly. She runs away. Come here. Come on, Briar. I want to put my feet in this first. Oh! That's like the dogs and the cats' litter bowls. I mean, not litter bowls. Oh my gosh. Drink water bowls for when we're outside. Come on, Mocha. Mocha's the only boy that we have. And either the yellow tomcat from outside got her pregnant or Briar got her pregnant. I don't care who it is. If it's a yellow tomcat, we're definitely gonna get calicos, and that's fun. And if it's Mocha got Briar pregnant, we might have some Siamese cats. Mocha right here is a half Siamese, from what we think, because it has blue eyes and it fades like a Siamese. That's Briar right there, and that's Mocha. That's okay. And Callie, you're just over here. Where the heck are you? Callie? I'll find you, cat. She came in here. Oh, there she is. And there's Callie. Yeah. Briar. Mocha. Great. Try to memorize them. Okay, ready? Say it with me. Well, don't say it with me, just say it. Come here, kitty. Hopefully you did it. Okay. So, goodbye for now. I'm gonna go edit this video.